Hey there, space explorers. I'm Alex, and I can't wait to blast off on the most amazing adventure ever. Rocket whoosh. Imagine if you could zoom through the stars, discovering secrets of the universe. Today, we're learning 12 super fun space facts that'll make your eyes wide with wonder. First, let's talk about our home planet, Earth. Did you know Earth spins like a giant top? That's why we have day and night. If it didn't spin, one side would always be hot like a summer barbecue, and the other freezing like an ice cream freezer. Isn't that cool? Giggle, but don't worry, our spinning Earth is just right for adventures. Now, buckle up as we head to the moon next. Get ready for some lunar magic. Whoosh, we've left Earth behind and are zooming to our nearest neighbor, the moon. Soft landing thud, fact number 2. The moon doesn't make its own light. It's like a big mirror reflecting the sun's glow. That's why we see phases, from full moon smiles to crescent winks. Imagine if the moon was a giant cookie. Astronauts have even tasted moon rocks, but they're not yummy, just dusty. Chuckle and get this. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, about the length of a football field each year. One day it might be too far for those romantic full moons, but for now, it's our faithful friend lighting up the night. Isn't that amazing? Next, let's hop to the rusty red world of Mars. Adventure awaits. Red alert! We've touched down on Mars, the red planet that looks like rusty iron. Rover beep fact 3. Mars has the biggest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, taller than 3 Everests stacked up. If you climbed it, you'd need a really long ladder. And Mars is home to the tallest mountain, but no snow-capped peaks like on Earth. Plus, it has 2 tiny moons that zip around like playful puppies. Imagine living on Mars. Days are almost like hours, but nights get super cold. Scientists think there might be water hiding under the dust. Exciting, right? Could aliens be building sandcastles there? Laugh, hold on tight, because next we're blasting to the king of planets, Jupiter, with its swirling storms. Wowza, here we are at Jupiter, the biggest planet, like 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Wind howl, fact 4. That huge red spot? It's a storm raging for hundreds of years, bigger than Earth itself. Imagine a hurricane that never ends. Crazy. Jupiter's made of gas, no solid ground to land on, just floating clouds. It has over 90 moons, including Europa with a hidden ocean under ice. Maybe fish swim there. Splash sound. Jupiter protects us from asteroids by being a big vacuum cleaner in space. What a hero! Feeling the gas giant vibes? Next up, the beauty queen of the solar system, Saturn with those incredible rings. Sparkle, sparkle. Look at Saturn's rings. They're made of billions of icy rocks and dust, like a cosmic hula hoop. Twinkle sound. Fact 5. If you were tiny, you could walk around Saturn's equator in just a few minutes, but those rings are as wide as a basketball court from your house to school. Saturn's so light, it would float in a giant bathtub. It has gorgeous moons too, like Titan with lakes of liquid methane, smelly but cool. Imagine sliding on those rings like a playground. Saturn's the least dense planet, full of fluffy gas. Pretty as a picture, huh? Now, let's tilt our way to Uranus for some sideways fun. Sideways hello from Uranus. Tilt whoosh, fact 6. Uranus is the only planet that rolls on its side like a bowling ball. Imagine summers lasting 42 years. It's an ice giant, super cold at minus 320 degrees. With 27 moons named after Shakespeare characters, like Titania and Oberon, it's like a theater in space. Uranus smells like rotten eggs because of its hydrogen sulfide clouds. Yuck! Giggle, but it's beautiful with those pale blue hues from methane. If you visited, you'd need a super warm coat. Rolling right along. Next, we're heading to windy Neptune for more icy adventures. Whoa, hold onto your helmet. Neptune's winds blow faster than any on Earth, up to 1,200 miles per hour. Wind gust, fact 7. This deep blue beauty is the farthest planet, named after the sea god, and it's another ice giant with diamonds raining in its clouds maybe. How fancy. Neptune has a big storm called the Great Dark Spot, like a hole in the sky. Its moon Triton orbits backwards, shooting geysers of nitrogen. Imagine surfing those winds. Neptune so far, one day takes 16 hours, a year 165 of hours. Breezy excitement, right? Now, let's zoom out to the stars twinkling like campfire lights. Out here in the starry sea, stars are like giant fireflies lighting up space. Twinkle fact 8. The closest star to us is the sun, but others are light years away, trillions of miles. Some stars are red and cool, others blue and hot. Imagine if you could collect them like marbles. Our sun is a medium star, fusing hydrogen like a big atomic hug. Stars twinkle because Earth's atmosphere wiggles the light, like heat haze over a fire. There are more stars than grains of sand on all beaches. Wow, feeling the sparkle. Get ready because galaxies are next, huge cities of stars. Behold the galaxies, swirling islands of billions of stars. Whoosh, zoom fact 9. We live in the Milky Way, a barred spiral like a cosmic pinwheel, 100,000 light years across. If you could fold it, it'd fit in your backyard, but unfolded, it's huge. Galaxies dance together, some crashing like slow-motion bumper cars, creating new stars. The Andromeda Galaxy is our neighbor, heading our way for a merge in 4 billion years. Imagine the light show. Galaxies come in shapes, spirals, ellipticals like fuzzy balls. Our universe has trillions, mind-blowing. Vast, isn't it? Now for the ultimate thrill. Black holes lurking in the dark. SHH, don't get too close. Black holes are super dense spots where gravity pulls everything in, even light. Swallow gulp fact 10. They're like invisible vacuums at galaxy centers, born from dying stars collapsing. The one in our Milky Way is 4 million times the sun's mass. Time slows near them, hours for you could be years for friends far away. Wow, time travel? Sort of. But they're not monsters, they help shape galaxies. Imagine a black hole as a hungry whirlpool in space. Thrilling, huh? Our journey's peaking next. Meet the brave astronauts who make it real. Heroes in space. Astronauts are real-life explorers like you and me, but with jetpacks. Spacewalk hum fact 11. They've walked on the moon, built space stations, and even grown veggies in space. Training is tough, like underwater dives to simulate zero gravity. In space, they float, eat gooey food from tubes, and watch 16 sunrises a day. Women and men from all over team up for discoveries. Imagine brushing your teeth with no gravity, floating toothpaste blobs. Astronauts inspire us to dream big. You're next in line, maybe? As our adventure wraps, let's reflect on the universe's magic. And we're home, space explorers. Gentle landing, what an epic trip. From Earth's spin to black hole mysteries, the universe is full of wonders waiting for you. Remember, every star, planet, and galaxy tells a story of endless possibilities. Imagine if you were the next Alex, discovering new facts. Keep looking up, asking questions, and dreaming big. The sky's not the limit. Thanks for joining this adventure on Space Explorers. If you loved these facts, hit like, subscribe for more cosmic quests, and comment your favorite planet below. Until next time, keep exploring. Cheerful music fade.